If you make this mistake, you'll stay broke forever. While you're grinding for every dollar, the wealthy are collecting checks from businesses they don't run. You trade time. They buy income. This isn't luck. It's a system. They don't chase trends or start from scratch. They buy proven businesses, ones with brand power, built-in customers, and step-by-step playbooks. They hire managers. The business runs. They just own it. You've been conditioned to hustle harder, but they scaled by leveraging what already works. You're stuck chasing raises. They're stacking cash from multiple locations without showing up. You're not behind because you're lazy. You're behind because no one told you this. Franchise ownership is the move. You invest in a business that's already winning. You hire operators. You earn passively. No reinvention, just acquisition. Wealthy people don't build, they buy. And now, so can you. If you want to grow financially, make sure you follow me. Your future self will thank you.